In this paper, we propose a regulations-aware motion planning framework for autonomous surface vessels in urban canals. In urban canals, regulations describe interactions with other vessels similar to the collision avoidance regulations at sea. To incorporate regulations in the planning stage, we propose a cost function encouraging compliance with the rules. An off-center ellipsoidal 2D Gaussian function is used to penalize specific positions with respect to the obstacle boats. To simulate the other boats for the experiment, we replay real vessel trajectories navigating in Amsterdam's canals. In simulation, our method, regulations-aware model predictive contouring control, successfully avoids obstacles while respecting the regulations. The other methods, instead, do not plan motions according to the regulations. Furthermore, we show multi-robot coordination, where two vessels run our method and perform a head-on and crossing scenario while respecting the regulations. Our framework is implemented on a quarter-scale rowboat for testing at the Marineterrein in Amsterdam. We were able to transfer our method to the real world with little tuning. In this video, you can see our framework tracking a path along the dock, turn, and track the path backwards.